look like I'm feel. Let's see if nobody echo. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to. So if you come in and you want to talk, and let's have a chat. Just say I, and we'll move from there. Welcome to the live. Hi, how are you? How are you doing? Hi. So, I'm home and I have the lights. So this all my look as some feel. So Boda, what kind of name this? I'm doing okay. Fanatics. I'm from Jamaica. Where are you from? Boda, what kind of name that? Can you grab the camera from a lumberjack edit? From a Lamar Jackson edit. I don't know what you're saying. Oh, you're from Canada? Oh, me just a chat to say, I not have the light. So, look how I feel. Terrible. Because over here we have a heat wave. So, work going on in the basement. Yes, you can call me Rose. My name is Ross, though, if that's what you're basing it off. Yeah, so they're fixing the light in the base. Well, they're doing some electrical work. So we were told that the light will be out from 7 in the morning to 6 in the evening, or maybe 8 in the evening. So I have no TV. Well, I just tried the stove because I was about to cook, so it wasn't coming on. So I grab a lighter and I try to light it light, but I'm still not in the mood. Second, pretty eyes. First, forehead. True, no. I be me know you depend. But may I talk to you? Are you gone about your business? Come in know what kind of name that. But text Chelsea Munchishi Tell her I'm over here. She a call me. I'm know so I share the TikTok with her. Look when I go on TikTok and my people them might go chat to me.
My grandma's gonna show you her church outfit. And in the name of Jesus, you better say something nice.
Yes, this is my church, one of my church outfits. It's green and white. And I wear a white shoes and a white hat to bring it out beautiful. I have it for a record of time. Long years.
Yeah.
I have this out there. And it still look nice. And you better love it.
Yeah, you better say something nice. My grandma's gonna show you her church outfit. And
Yeah, but that's how you're gonna say? 10 feet 11 to 9 shoulders. Rose, listen, Rose, listen. I'm listening. 1 forehead, 2 pretty eyes, 3 nose, 5 cheekbone. What happened to 4? 4 ears, 6 upper lip, 7 lower lip, 8 chin, 9 shoulder, 10 feet, 11 toes. Rose, listen, Rose. I'm listening. I'm listening to the bullshit. Sample pot. What's up? I'm on YouTube. That's where I need you guys to be, on YouTube. Ooh, one man over there chat be madness. I can't, so I told him I'm gonna get my people on TikTok. I'm not on a light. I'm in a distress. Someone need enough to come talk to me before I'm mad out. What could be 12? You miss I chat bullshit. Did I be a bullshit there chat? Where I chat with makes sense. Tell me. Because I need to know. I'm going to message you, girl. Okay, baby. Yeah. Ah. It'll tear off. There are so many things. Listen, I'm listening. May I listen? Yes. Pete, thanks for tapping the live. Guys, come in, tap the live. That's the difference with TikTok and YouTube. Sir, I'm here and I'm listening. And what you want from me? Tell me what you want from him. Let me see if you're Jamaican. See what I want. You need my love. And money me want. You want love and me want money. How that go? Can't exchange. Oh, that pa my eye. Oh, jeez. Yes, how I look? I feel like how I look. Torment. Why? I need your love. Your nails. But just tell them want. You know, answer that one day. Answer the question, then we can move from there so the conversation. Me concentrate. Away I do voodoo for me. Ooh. Bookie, I look some front for them. Yeah, look front for them. No worry about what I beat. What me a mouth, that me a figure. My front in your mouth, okay, to their mouth harder. Man, I better find somewhere else go on where you're going, man, so provoke me. I better go where you're going. It's like I'm in a good mood. I want to put my hair. I can't move that right now in the car. I swear, a man over my YouTube I voodoo me. What happened? Banana light. Banana light in a big before. Well, it's not that I don't have no light. They cut off the light because they're working. They might just run some wire and some fire sitting on. Some only people sitting on go on. So they have a generator, but you know that can power everything. So the only thing we have on right now, well, we get light to run the fridge. So you know me unruly me plug out the fridge and me I run the fan because me hot. But do want to run the AC, but I don't want to chip out it because I will leave something on it. Other people's stuff. Dirty book, you know, make my black I don't like it because it's too hot harder. See what I go on if you're still there. Who there with me? I see that? Come like a man is sick. He might keep my company, I guess. He might voodoo me, now you have to concentrate. Oh God. And the money man them more over here today. Now, I don't want the broke man them over here. I'm tired of you. Cause that dirty one there come tell me say me I sell front already. Like him want me give a front. I mean I no front for give away. Broke pocket man always come cause problem. Oh God. Are you the home I do see? You hear me tell you to go away, I go in a conversation with you. I'm gonna block you cause at this point you're not relevant to us. Yeah, you know, we have to bounce because the people them now come over here. Over here, more the people them. But me not see nobody when me know yet. That's why I'm not seeing nobody over here. One dirty man I come tell me about if I sell me, I sell the front. So I'm a black. They must use the front I give away. All if me I sell front, some of them could get that front for buy. All if they have $1 million. I look for the people that would over here with me, so I'm not see nobody. I share the life to a couple of people, but I'm not see nobody. Not up. That thing not up. I'm just here chilling. Oh God. Guys, you enjoyed me over YouTube. I need to type in YouTube name. Hold on, Cece. Don't know. Underscore meals. Where kids them? Where kids them there? Good morning. We get up early. We get about 7 o'clock go wash car. And them trick me because them talk about say 24 $24 me get wheel shine and all kind of shit. Now when me come from out of the drive through the wheel them dirty same way. So I know what that mean. School out, CC, school out now? Or soon? Oh God, no sir. 8 people there more than them on right now. Right now. The place cool down. I have on the fan now but over here at same way. When I get to see the news from them, I don't even know what time them people here live. Turn on about the like. What would you like about what? would you like a boat? Are you in England or Jamaica? None of the above. Friday are the last day. Trick you and take your money. Yeah, come here buy the cheapest wash. And then now shine down my tire them myself. Cause that me normally do. Take this cheap wash. I'm gonna wash my car regular. All 2-3 times a year me wash my car. I don't wash my car regular. So I go on the side, go vacuum it. I mean, Richie that did that work, help me. Well, I him carry me. So, him give me the cat for pay for the wash. So, me see the cheaper wash now, so me that take that. So, I ask the man with the other wash consist of. So, him tell me. So, I say, alright, let me work with that. I come out of the jump out of the car, look on the tire, then me say, what the tire shine there and all these things, so it say. So, I got if my name on no guys not say nothing. Are you tired or would you like to speak about my story? Let's talk about your story. What your story about? Bless child walk on. Bless child follow me on TikTok, YouTube. YouTube me I try get you guys to come. But they're on YouTube now. So I would appreciate if you guys come over there. Let me your style, Cece. Wanna let me your style? Oh, I was on the way last night at the way last night at your fat. They say already AC on. Me I wonder. Munchi, me invite you on YouTube and you come on TikTok. You saw on the stay? Munchi over TikTok. Madhouse. Yes. I know Madhouse ever say. What you call it again? When people head mad, what you call it? Oh my god. You have a name, remember? So when you come over here, so far now over here, I want you. Yeah, but if the link not open, I just go on it normally. Girl, not a tired. What me I do for tired? Unless true, me wake up early. Come wake up early. I mean, it's not a day sleeper. No. Yeah, mad sick ain't no good. But they pan it see me, Munchi. I'm over there seeing me. I mean, I see you over here. Attack. You just a swallow. We saw, yeah. Yeah, swallow on for you. Okay, yes, over here for come. Let us stay here for half an hour. Cause the thing is, when it upon should nobody know me upon YouTube? Yeah, if I do something for grab few people. But out and I just go and tired me a little. I'm not stay long like home and normally stay. Thank God for TikTok. Look how me over TikTok me look these things. Look for me on YouTube. Guys, if you don't want to see me without filter, come on YouTube. I look like a mad woman. Thanks for the follow, Delaware. Munch way you cook now, no tell me a porridge again. I don't know how I just eat stew peas and fifi stew peas. Lord of God. The fifi stew peas bad. I'ma just eat stew peas. But if I just try to put something different tonight. No normally fifi stew peas back to back so. You just say you want if we something that talk about something I all know me not hear something. So that's why I'm not respond. No comment respect. There, right. Oh, Bookie joined but my live and I block him. Oh, I'm mute. Okay. What is this? Talk about gone. I look good in so I look distressed. I look as how I feel. So I tell you. You're waiting, about I wait. Can't step on the live. Me too. Hope so too. Why is not a good look? You're supposed to see me in my sad stage, my good stage, my happy stage, every stage, right? So it's a good look same way. We must have when people come out just as they are. Something upon my eye, but we can't trouble that right now. Them cut off my light when I pay my light bill. I can, but as you say, it's like, oh, you look. Him laugh. You see me with what? You ask me, I'm tell you, quick and fast. And you say, see you. So I can't tell you my business, you know. But now entertain, make me serious. I joke this. What Munchie? Hi. I'm hungry too. Right, did I get the tea? I'm sending it, but just listen, let me try. See if we get it. Well, go on. Oh, I want to get enough for active on my YouTube. But that I want to get enough for the active on my YouTube. Visit me YouTube every now and again. You reach home? I tell Fago say I no light. Fago say I entertain me on YouTube. Tell me light cut off, me not pay my light bill. I tell him say, I look like how I feel. Down and out. Oh, that Walmart. What more? More flour. I said to them, I'm going to the cupboard for make dumpling. No flour. Well, little flour in there. I make 2 dumplings for Chelsea with the little flour olive. I'm like, what the hell? I'm going to the supermarket. I went Saturday. Sunday, I go to the supermarket. I'm going to get a flour. I never realized I'm not a flour. No, I'm not a light for real. No, man, I'm good, man. I'm good. So, see, what you do when me attack? I cut off my light cut off because I'm not paying a light bill. Fargo say I lie me a tell. I don't believe this. No, see it with a joke. Lion can't pay light bill. You're pissed off, Fargo. You're right. It was a Fargo Otara. You Otara. I just realized you do. Well, me get 10 rows. That me get. Yo. Tanya, I want some flour. Pick up some flour in a Walmart for me. Them need to sell the flour. A long time I don't see the big pack of flour. I just see the 5 pound flour. A 5 pound in a box back there. And I think that never come like 5 pound. That come like maybe like, I don't know, maybe 3 pound. You can get gift over here. No. No, sir. I need to watch hours on YouTube. Oh, you mean oh Fargo? You know what you do. You know exactly what I'm saying. Me know, girl. I drop my man. Me know. Me now can't get it. No pay me no mind. When it I not cook flour too often, you know, that's why I never realized the flour done. But the thing is, I had some banana. Somebody want to cook the banana before them ripe. So that's why I try to cook the flour. But when I'm looking at the cover, that one little bit of flour, and I'm like, oh, I missed this. Yeah, them filter comment over here too. And I said, oh, I miss it. But I say it goes sometime. Oh, no, what happened is that me dip on TikTok too. Fargo send me rose over TikTok. Cause through me say more alliance and send me 10 rose. And I laugh off of me. On this live or upon TikTok? Which one of them? I see something that looks like anger. Oh, me understand. Honestly, I don't know about YouTube. Honestly, I don't know. But the thing is, I need some watch hours over YouTube. So that's why I try if go live on YouTube. I try to understand it because I don't. Oh, I don't know where you see because the same way it look on TikTok where you want to look a man. So I don't know where you are see. This is funny, you know, because even when I press pan the person, it's like over on TikTok where you see, when you press on the person, you see who in the room, this not show it. So somebody can just there watching and know who. I not like that. You know, every now and again you want to see who, if you're in the mood to look. But we don't know what the anger. Yeah, but as myself, I need some watch hours on YouTube. I need at least 1,000 watch hours, and that not easy for come. Hard. YouTube not easy, you know. It's like how TikTok quick and fast. If you know where you do on TikTok, TikTok not a problem. But true talker, wagwan. I need it on YouTube. Guys, don't go over on YouTube. Let's try me. I beg you go on YouTube. I don't know if you follow me on YouTube yet. Go on YouTube for me, please. Only if them press into the live. Oh, I don't know. Is that for the person watching? Oh, you mean on TikTok? Well, no one person in live. I just on TikTok. If you don't person at the live, you can't see the comment them. So, more time people are gonna just come in our room because people want to see what other people are say. Them want you sit down on live like I work. Yes, Baba, the one dirty TikTok yesterday. Send me one sitting about me if you sit down on live for 2 hours, Tanya. 2 hours to get kind. And the money no kind. You saw TikTok out of that? Why I would want to sit on TikTok for 2 hours? Like, I understand enough time in the on TikTok and stay for 2 hours, but that's by choice. I don't want them to force me to stay on TikTok. And me no want a kind we kind do. Me not understand that. We do change out kind for gift people. I don't know if that is it. Maybe. Maybe kind of kind. If you don't want to come, no come. If you don't want to come, bye. Me I go on YouTube. I can't focus on the 2 phone them. But them turn over TikTok if they want to turn over there. I'm going to go and try do what me have to do because TikTok is a thing where TikTok send me something and me well joining or when me joining me say stay upon live for 2 hours. I'm like, what the fuck? Me with me enough self stay upon live for 2 hours. When me come off of the live, 70 sitting kinds. I'm like, TikTok serious? I don't know. I don't want to understand TikTok. I know some people make money on TikTok. No, well, maybe I'm from the gifts. Them. I don't know. I know there's a trick to TikTok or something, but I don't understand it. But God know. Oh, you talk about TikTok. I don't know him just to come up with that. Dirty man them. I always say this. I think every man a dirty man. I don't know why I think so. In them own way. And honestly, Richard the hungry man me see. Richie different. Richie not talk about them something there, no? Not fun of them something there. May I go in a drama? When Tanya is still there, like what we alone over here. When me just meet Richie, right? First of all, me there work. And every day I see this man pass me, and him always just say, Annette, him always call me Annette cause. Yeah, them alone for big. Annette cause. And every day him pass me, go. Me not pay him no mind cause true. Me always up on my phone and chat to other people. So me not really penny him too much. Till one day him take away my bag. Me and Annette and the whole of the day him take away my bag. And when him take away my bag, him go with it. I'm say, look, you can go with the bag. I not run it down for my bag. I have to get my bag. So, as them time them know say him like me. Anyway, him carry me home couple of nights because them time them used to walk, go home from Clear Square. So couple nights, well, him carry me home. Until one night, I come up, but then I carry him said to me, say, give me a kiss now. He's a rotted. Just finish feed my face. I just reach in. Him say, give me a kiss now. So me give him good all up on the live now. That's why I don't like when, cause the thing is, me know him that on TikTok, you know, cause I block him on TikTok. But Richie can see me pan YouTube. I'm go up in the Richie for the here come off, come here talk business. Anyway. So he beg me a kiss the night and me give him a chops. You know, so me and Richie chat for months. And me have to ask the man, oh, him never touch me yet? Because you know, after a couple of weeks now, yeah, things say, you know, Man, I gotta touch you and I drop. You know, I do some little. None of that. None of that. Me have to ask him if he's afraid of me. That me have to ask the man. If him, me, I have to ask him that. If him afraid of me. Him said no, him just a respect me. Him not know, you know? I said no, sir. First me see that. And him stay same way. Him no crabby and no. And that's why I'm comfortable with him. Cause I know it's Chelsea safe. So the man now look for me. Him just carry my woman, that's it. Carry my woman. When sometimes you I'll walk with me go, like if I'm at work overnight, him walk with me go all at the train station. And I'll walk 100 kilo. I'll walk in a one dark corner and me and him run a dark corner, nothing. I said, what the fuck this? My God. Some man different. Me ear long though. Where I go eat, CC? Munchie just reach home and no Richie just shy when he come on to them something there. Him not crab it. Him just different. Him not if I follow Richie, yeah, him just sit down. Him no very rare. You can know when him sitting. You have to understand him. Him something that him priority. Him not fussy. Sometimes in annoy me, sometimes in a mind. Quiet. Ooh. If you talk to him, he talk to you, but him not really. Or him, yeah, him not know if you explain him. Not that much true. You know much time things at my work. I remember so which part him work, and that's how me used to work, so I know the people him. And if something happen there, and him know, so I know the people them who it happen to. You know, so me no know other people me hear them something from. Sometimes I have to say, oh, you know, them say Tom, they can't hurry, whatever. Him not, not him. Not him at all. He mind him business. Let's we go to gym. Why if you don't want filter no come on YouTube, you know. If you don't want nobody know no look do come on YouTube, stay on TikTok. Come know me just about TikTok all my lip never look so dry. Masama. Me say if you don't want hide yourself, go on TikTok. Oh God. Yeah. Me hear when them say when them go over favorite, all the people them look for favorite different from TikTok. And me say me know why them say so because baby YouTube not playing. YouTube have it. Murder. Oh God. Oh God. Sorry, me never braid me hair when my dad Jamaica. No more me hair braid. Me say me da go try braid it, you know, braid it by myself. Chelsea, she come home, come tell me about how for her friends if me can braid for her hair. I say, what of them? Who me yet braid here? So Munchi, yes, yeah, you have subscribe on YouTube? My face look mildew. Change to do it. Charge to do it. Oh, to do my ear? If me see somebody we can do ear, good. We'll make them do it, but I'm not see none yet. And I free them one. Oh, no. I want a good friend. Oh, me that charge that little pitney there now. That's why I don't want to do nobody it because me go want to say to our friend now. Me no want charge her when I want to charge. If nobody, let me tell you this. If me braid somebody here like how me braid just here, them have to pay me $500. Me not stand up in a one person ear one whole day. Cause I realize that one whole day me do just ear for less than $500. Me not do it. Me not do that, me sorry. $500. Let me tell you this. It's what I used to do here, and some used to charge people them eye. So I charge them that, me know them I go run. So I just tell them eye until all of them go on with them go on about them business. See, what is $200 over here, so? $200 can't even buy a sensible grocery, baby. $200 can't buy groceries. So me if you stand up in a somebody here for one whole day for $200, that's why I'm telling me nah do it. See that you know what yeah. Munchi said she signed up for YouTube and them said she need good phone and good light. What that mean? Me post joke. That one that bad. Oh God. You see them two old harder. I never try the old iPhone she have. Them two old harder. Sister, them old. When I said stop, go outside. No, sir. I first me hear that though. Me never do say them something possible. Put that laugh there, huh? I was something share though. The one Richard gives smart to the hear me yesterday. Hear me yesterday. Hear when him come in. You know that's where the papa see them. I say, what you talk about? Him no met you know met juice today. And I see him see me on live yesterday, you know. And go down over there watch me. That's why me. I have to be careful what I say when I dey on YouTube. When I dey on TikTok, I chat anything catch you. I know I block him on TikTok. I see ever send cause Cece say Russia have TikTok, so she will know what go on. But me never have no problem to set up my YouTube. A long time I set up my YouTube though. But that bad I first me hear that. And wait now. You know see Montreal have picture up on YouTube. So how them I tell you that? I have big picture on YouTube I go on with itself. I'm shocked too. You see me I laugh because first me hear that. I mean really see you know what she say our RG have me say and Russia not have nothing. Oh, I think yes a Russian have channel. Him never yet post no. Okay, okay. Yeah. What bad way me carry on? One thing YouTube back a time because me can't understand oh go pan. Let me see if it I go do it. I wonder if I throw the phone and me go pan YouTube and make it look so. Because why YouTube look so? It look even me not even talk about the filter, it look dark. It no light up. Oh the phone, you know. The phone. My other phone is so dark. When I type in my name, nothing comes up. But may I see a name now? May I see sweet cheetah nails? And may I see some nails like somebody on with nails on it? That's why I say you better than CC because CC not on a picture. Your one have picture. CC just have L. Maybe try again. I don't know. Oh God. You need help with it? Oh. But tell us say anything you need, Google it. Cause once you Google it, you can find it. Oh, are you take it down? Is either my government or the picture. You mean a government name? Most people sign up YouTube with their real name. Because the amount of people name me know since them come over here. What kind of package that? Because CC Chelsea come and she just step past it and I know me not order nothing. Mm-hmm. Most people sign up YouTube with them original name. No know why. Oh, but a sweet cheetah nail me I see. Anyway, we're not gonna do it now. You can't come off if you're not ready, you know. I'm run off an hour if you're not ready. If you're not ready. Me use my name for everything most times cause nobody else have it. Nobody no want that they eat that name. They work have special name. Most people name Lataya. She work one nice unusual name she write. Alright, you see for my TikTok, a MagicFinger Meals me the want, you know, me don't know where my name come from pan it. So me just left it. But I never da name them one pan it because I want the whole of my platform have the same name so people easily find me. Well, I better name Cribs Lataya. Lataya Crib. Why a mingle name? Angela? You're one of Angela, Munchu one of Andrea. Mine are Anne Marie. I think I'm right. Ooh, am I wrong or am I right? Am I right or am I right? Look at that, pretty sure I'm right. Oh. Oh, you forget the words for the day your mother name. Yeah? I don't think people that use middle name. Why? Why do man that she get the worst one? Cause I'm mushish. I get Angela. Cause she her first born. Me would want Angela to me not lie. Nah lie, Sisi Moon. Boy. No, sir. Boy. I'm mushish. I get the true. Boy. Sisi, that easy that. Oh, God. Munchi name them nice. Trisha nice. Andrea nice. That was she there, she gone. She there hear the mix up. But as she could I get it with Chuka first born normally get them parents' name. Me who know want the Angela though. Sorry. Oh God, no sir. When I see her, CC. She gone, man. She not catch that one, yeah. Cause you know she that up on that comment already. You know, just say crib a big name, good name. But Lataya cover. Angela not ready. Me know all me know more don't want Angela. Me keep them all, but if out of the three of them, would choose Andrea more than any one of them. But then again, Anne-Marie no come on. Andrea kind of come on, you know. The name Andrea kind of come on. You keep me Anne-Marie. I actually love my last name. Your last name nice. Your last name nice, it's true. Different. When she gone to come clear the area, so I definitely want she clear the area and then go and do her business, but I don't know where she gone. Now she just come back. Trish. Not look like a she. No, me not like this. Me not like when you can't see who in her. So sometimes you don't even know where you want to chat. Sis, why call you was to find out if you were still on YouTube because I joined and I wasn't. Yeah, but that's why I hang you up. Catch you me on YouTube and you call the phone. But then that we are talk about CC middle name. So CC say you should I get Angela, me agree. Me agree to that one day. So you should I get Angela. Cause you're the first born. Yeah. And you should I get if you choose a Bucci. You get young people name and you're the oldest one. Anyway, may I go left for no cause see, you get mute. So we link up tomorrow again over here. May I go send you text same way. If you even half an hour or hour and then we can run off. I have to get my watch my watch time the ending on next month. No longer. Tired of it. Anyway, sooner guys later on. Big up on yourself. On the day I make me know that hear me. I need to go to a shop too, you know, cause I need to go buy Richie Lotto. I'm big me buy a lot of him today. Alright, my gang can not talk to me later.